hydroelectric plant works. So here's a diagram of a hydroelectric plant, but it's more commonly known as a dam. Shown on the left side of the diagram, you have what is called a reservoir, which is another name for lake. Now the water flows through the intake, which is the gate-like structure that helps control the flow of water. Furthermore, the water begins to flow through the penstock. Depending on the amount of drop in elevation will determine how much power will be produced. The reason is that gravity will be pulling the water down, resulting in the water flowing faster through the penstock, which will allow more water to go through the intake and produce more power. At the end of the penstock, you'll find a turbine. At the bottom of the turbine are propellers. Now when water flows through these propellers, they begin to spin. And when the propellers are spinning, the rotor, which is located at the top of the turbine, begins to spin too. This will produce power through the generator, which is located above the turbine. And these are both connected through a shaft. Now the generator is located in a powerhouse which houses a bunch of other generators. Power lines are connected directly to the generator to give direct feeds to homes and businesses. After the water leaves the turbine, it'll flow back into the river.
The electricity that powers the province. Most hydroelectric stations use either water diverted around the natural drop of a river, such as a waterfall or rapids, or a dam is built across a river to raise the water level and provide the drop needed to create a driving force. Water at the higher level is collected in the forebay. It flows through the plant intake into a pipe called a penstock, which carries it down to a turbine water wheel at the lower water level. The water pressure increases as it flows down the penstock. It is this pressure and flow that drives the turbine that is connected to the generator. Inside the generator, this produces electricity that can be stepped up in voltage through the station transformers and sent across transmission lines. The falling water, having served